Okay, so maybe I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Hey everybody, my young Hapon. This is Ned over at My Philippine Dreams, N to the E to the D over at MPD, and this is just a quick update on the Lazada scam that I recently got hit with. I got hit with it about a week ago on Saturday. I finally realized what was going on, and I contacted Lazada. And basically what it consisted of is an employee has inside information on your account. Basically what they're doing is giving your login details to an outside scammer who then contacts you, and they got official email. They got a LazadaPaymentCenter.com email, all that stuff. It's pretty slick. It was pretty convincing. I should have known better when they told me to send the money through a remittance center, but as I previously noted, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer. So when they call you and they have all this information on your account, they have all your past orders, they're going through when they sent it out, the delivery dates, all that stuff. It's really convincing. I mean, it's a slick scam, it's very convincing, and unfortunately I'm sure Lazada is losing quite a bit of money on it because their employees, I'm sure, since they're working in the Philippines call center, are only getting about $1.25 an hour. So they see an opportunity to make a couple $100 in a day, they're jumping on board. Now, for those who said, oh, Ned, you should only go with COD, be aware that there's also a cash-on-delivery scam that's being done with Lazada and some other online sites like Alibaba and stuff. And what that consists of is the employee finds out that something's being delivered, like an iPhone 10. They'll sell that information to an outside agent who will show up at your house dressed up as an LBC delivery man. They got the LBC truck with the LBC graphics on it and everything. They got the LBC identity tag, they got all the paperwork, they got the official LBC box, they might even have more LBC boxes in the vehicle, but obviously he doesn't work for LBC. They pass over the box to you, you sign all the official paperwork, you pass over the money, the COD, you bring the box in the house, and you realize that it's a box full of rocks. So that's another scam that's been going on, and that's something to be aware of. So I got an email today. Today is Saturday. I just got back from the gym, and basically the email says, Dear Mr. Kelly, we hope that this email finds you well. We are trying to call you at your phone number to discuss the said issue so we can further assist you, but found unreachable. This is a follow-up email regarding to your concern for the A-Vision 50-inch 4K Ultra HD TV with order number blah, blah, blah. Please be guided. I love how they say please be guided. That the investigation for this incident, our team concludes to issue a refund for the initial payment you paid last time in Cebuana amounting to 20,100 pesos. In line with this, we would like to ask you your refund preference so we could process your refund via LBC remittance, store credit, or bank transfer. And it goes on. So basically they did the right thing. It was the scam originated obviously from within the company. It's obviously employees passing on the information. Thank you, Lazada, for stepping up and doing the right thing and issuing the refund. I probably shouldn't be saying that until I actually got the money in hand. And this is after about a week going back and forth on chat with them on their chat support, and basically the chat guys didn't know what was going on. They were just waiting for the investigation to conclude. So all's well that ends well. As you can see, I got the box on the back. The TV was actually delivered yesterday. I rolled the dice and hoped that Lazada was going to do the right thing because they wanted 21,000 pesos, 21,740 pesos. So this 50-inch A-Vision HD Smart TV, Ultra HD Smart TV is an incredible television. I'll probably be doing a review on it at some point. It's 21,740 pesos, which is a bit over 400 US dollars. And for the price, it's really nice. It also has a 2-year warranty, and there's A-Vision local authorized repair centers here in Dumaguete. There's one in Dumaguete, which is good in case it ever blows up or anything. So that's the report. Again, thank you to Lazada for doing the right thing. I love you guys. I've always recommended you guys to people for people looking to purchase stuff online. It's the closest thing to Amazon in the Philippines, and they really did me right. Now, with that all said, here's some footage of what happened yesterday when the TV got delivered, and I heard about the box of rock scam, and I made sure that they opened up the box and set it up and plugged it in and turned it on before I actually signed for it.
Your house?
Okay, so the Lazada guys are here. They delivered the TV and they're opening it so we can plug it and make sure it's actually a TV, not a box of rocks. Because the thing is, they don't have like official vans, so it's probably contractors. So they're just using a Suzuki multi-cab to deliver. And even though the back of the truck is packed with Lazada boxes, you never know, man. They could all be like filled with plywood or something. I don't know. But after getting scammed once, gotta make sure the shit's right. I know it's a pain for them because they want to leave. They want to sign the paperwork and go, but just gotta make sure it's right. So that's it. This is Ned over at My Philippine Dreams, and keep on dreaming, and I'll see you next time. Peace.